Hi people, good morning, and it's around 8 o'clock. We are going to have a breakfast. Also, I want to sleep very badly because I didn't have a good sleep yesterday night because it's a new place, right? So wherever I go to a new place, I will be not having a good sleep. तो आई फील लाइक स्लीपिंग मॉर्निंग की नींद ना बहुत अच्छी होती है यार डोंट फील लाइक गेटिंग अप फ्रॉम द बेड एंड द व्यू इज अमेजिंग फ्रॉम माई balcony guys. I'm gonna show you the view from here. Yes, we are way to have breakfast now. Guys, here we had a breakfast, got ready, fresh up, and also today we are exploring some local places in Munnar which we didn't see yet. So chalo chalte hain, let's explore local places in Munnar. I'm really very much excited. And this is the outside view of this property. You can see here. Guys, finally we are out to explore Munnar and our first destination is Attukad waterfalls which is located just beside to Devonshire resort which we are staying in. So guys, as you all knows, I'm staying in Devonshire hotel and that's a luxurious resort in Munnar. Also it's like located in heart of the Munnar and the surroundings quite amazing. I'm gonna show you guys. There is a like waterfalls over there. In the summer also, look at the water flow. It is really amazing, guys. So guys, here we reached to that same waterfall which I showed you from my resort side. Wow! Attukad waterfalls is one of the main waterfalls of Munnar and one of the most attractive destinations which you should not miss while planning a trip to Munnar. The beauty of waterfalls drops from a height of 100 feet top of mountain. The road to Attukad is very narrow and you need a lots of experience to drive on. So here there is one tea shop just beside to this beautiful waterfall. It's too sunny at this time. They are drying spices over here. Here we are drinking a lemon soda and she is making a salted lemon soda there. Guys, here we done for the day. Now we are going back to our resort and there we have a cooking class at 6 p.m. Also, I'm going to experience cooking class in resort for the first time ever.
This is actually cooking demonstration.
Okay.
Chef will come and cook some food.
Okay, he gonna show what he gonna. Yeah. Okay. What he gonna cook?
Banana fry.
Banana fry.
Banana fry.
Okay, only banana fry.
Banana fry.
Okay.
Daily it will be, it's a option.
Banana fry. Kerala banana, right?
Yeah.
Sugar and what is this? Salt.
No, this is maida.
Maida. Yeah. It look like salt.
To make
this
the
one?
batter.
Okay, it's already made, right? Okay, what is this one? Black pepper.
No, this is tamarind, the spice only.
This is turmeric.
Yeah.
Hi. So what are you gonna cook today?
It's banana fritters.
Banana fry.
Banana fritters.
Fritters.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, here the chef is cooking banana fittes, which is a Kerala snacks. Actually, it's a famous snacks or
Yeah,
what?
famous
It's a
snacks.
famous. Okay, I never tried it before. So he's saying it's a Kerala famous snacks, and here he goes. Is there any chutney or something along with that too, sir? Only we have to eat it like that. Okay. Done?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And guys, here visitor can also participate in a cooking section with the chef to prepare any dishes of their choice. So what did you prepare yesterday?
Yesterday we made the pasta. Every day we have a different.
Every day. Okay. What is this black thing?
Gingery seed. Gingery seed.
Gingery seed. Okay. Or something, right? Yeah, I know this thing. And guys, here I'm going to end my vlog and stay tuned for the Munnar part 4 vlog. So please do like, comment, share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.